Hello, this is Adam, the car seat tech with Infant Toddler Youth and Car Seat Quickie, and we're going to show you how to remove the Cybex Cloud Q from the Cloud Q base. One hand is going to grab the handlebar. The other hand is going to reach toward the bottom of the base here. So right here where you see this big gray button, there's actually a smaller gray button right behind it. You need to push both of these buttons. So my finger is going to push in the small button. The rest of my palm is going to push down on the big one. And then we can lift up the back of the car seat so we can slide it out of the base. When you're going to pop it back in, you see this bar here on the bottom of the Cybex car seat? It needs to slide into the base first. So we're going to line that up. And then we're going to let the back of the car seat just rest into the base until you hear the clicking sound. That click will let you know the car seat is nice and secure. So let's take a closer look at the button. So here is the smaller button. We're going to push it in first, push down on the big gray button, and then we can lift up the back of the car seat to slide it out. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe to support the channel. We'll see you next time.